Hello everyone. Welcome to Crimson Con. I am Sanjana Pai. I am the founder of the Pink Box. And Crimson Con is the first of its kind event where we are getting 20 speakers across 20 different various topics to come and talk about their areas of expertise. So we are going to start this session with Priya, who is going to teach us how we can wake up energized and just set the tone for the entire day in only 20 minutes. So over to you.
Hello guys, can you hear me? Can
Yes,
anyone hear me?
we can hear you.
Okay. Hi everyone, I'm Priya Gaurav Kimani. I am an entrepreneur and makeup artist by profession, and also I am a founder of Priya Girl Community. I have a page on Instagram, so we share all the positive things about day-to-day lives, and my motive is to help women and uplift them in a way so that they are positive and do something good for others and for themselves. So on my page on a regular basis I share one ritual that is called water ritual. So this ritual is an amazing ritual, and at 8 o'clock I come with a different quote each morning, and I discuss that quote, and that is followed by the water ritual. That is, we charge the water by repeating the quote 3 times, and that is how it is charged, and I consume the water. You guys, this is such an amazing technique to bring changes in your life. If you want to achieve something, or if you are stressed out because of certain issues in your life, you can do this whenever you want throughout the day, as many times as you want, and you will see the results. You will be surprised to see the results, and it is such a positive habit you will inculcate in your lifestyle on a regular basis. So if you want to do it regularly, you can follow that on my page. But for now, I am going to share how we do it. Okay, so let me share the code with you. So here is the code, and let me start the music for a while. Okay. Now let me tell you about the importance of the 3 things. This ritual, the morning ritual, which Sanjana has titled as Wake Up and Energize. So in this, what do we do is I take a quote, a positive quote, I talk about it, and music is involved in this, and water, right? So what is the importance of music, water? Why are we doing this? I have planned this, I have customized this, because if you want, you can Google it and read about uh, how this water charging is so impactful, right? So you can read about it, and you will know, you will learn that water has a memory. It absorbs vibration from its surroundings. So it is so important that every time whenever you drink water, you charge it, because from wherever source it is coming, the water is coming, it is not in a good state, because it contains all the memory from its source, and it is coming to you from so many mediums, right? So before consuming water, you need to charge it so that you can consume the good things, like the good thoughts, the good intentions. So that is how it is. Now, the first important thing is music. Why I tell you music? Because early in the morning when you get up, your memory is extremely powerful, and it needs to relax. It needs to be your posture and everything, you should be stress free. So for that, to make yourself more stress free, more peaceful, more calm, you can put on some very good soothing music, just like this, the one is playing in the background. I am not increasing the volume because it will distract me for now, but you can do this. You can play some good music, and you can start with this. um, you can write a quote on a piece of a paper. At the same time, find out quotes from our page, or maybe wherever you want, or maybe if you want something in life, if you have some desire or some intention, if you want your day to be perfectly positive and it should be productive, you can write all those things, and And just like a prayer, repeat that in your mind, keep repeating, and hold a glass of water, hold a glass of water, keep repeating the thought and drink that water. That is how that water is charged. Okay, so these three things are extremely important: the good music, good thoughts, and water. That is how the water ritual is. So we have this thought where there is gratitude, there is an open door for blessings. I'm going to talk about this quote. It is an amazing quote. Why? Because gratitude plays a very important role in our life. When we get up in the morning, first of all, the first thing we should uh, talk to ourselves. There should be positive self talk with ourselves, that is about how blessed we are, about having the house, about the food we are eating, about this wonderful amazing body we have. This body helps us in so many good things, in doing so many good things, so many tasks. And so we should, first of all, when we get up in the morning, we should thank God for this beautiful amazing day, and we should thank this body which does so much for us. Okay, so we need to talk like that with ourselves, that I'm a powerful soul, I'm emotionally independent, I can achieve anything in life, I am positive being, I am peaceful soul. These are the affirmations you should tell while holding the glass of water. I will do this ritual. I'm just explaining you. I will do this ritual and I will tell you how to do it. When you do this, what happens is, throughout the day, because early in the morning your memory is so powerful. Whatever you put in, whatever you feed yourself with, it stays with you throughout the day. And it is rightly said, जैसे दिन की शुरुआत होती है वैसे उसका अंत होता है. अगर आप अपने आप को बहुत ज्यादा बहुत अच्छे तरीके से पॉजिटिव कर लेंगे, स्टार्टिंग में ही कोई भी नेगेटिव सिचुएशन आ रही है, आप उसे बहुत अच्छे तरीके से डील कर पाएंगे विदाउट गेटिंग इरिटेटेड. And you know what, ऐसा क्यों होता है कि sometimes a negative situation pops up and you are unable to deal with it, because your mind, it wants to protect you. Whenever a new situation comes, especially when it is negative, your mind gets a shock, so it wants to prepare itself so that it can protect you, so that you don't get that shock. So when you are positive, in your heart and your mind, you already know you are secure, you have filled yourself with security, with sense of security, by repeating good thoughts, good positive thoughts on a regular basis. That is how you feel much secure, you feel less stressed. And when you do that, what happens is, your efficiency, your productivity increases. That is how you excel in your life. A stress-free human being performs much better than a person who is in stress all the time. It affects your health, it affects your relationship, it affects your emotional well-being, it affects you as in every aspect of your life if you are negative. So what you can do is, if you will inculcate this morning ritual each day, this is gonna help you. You need not to do anything apart from this. If you really want your exams, you should really do good in your exams or your relationships or maybe your career. Keep telling yourself, by holding that glass of water, put that intention inside it, that I am a powerful being and I will achieve it. That is how you will do it. So practicing gratitude also, it really helps, because when you are practicing gratitude, you are telling the universe, you are telling yourself, you're telling your mind, you're telling your heart that you already have so much. You are living in abundance. You already have so much, and living in abundance, you don't lack anything. And automatically your mind and heart relaxes. You have to make it feel secure by telling all the good things, that you have such a wonderful body, good food to eat, shelter, good education, and so many means you can accomplish anything in today's time, right? You have social media, you have so many. It's just that you need to be stress free in order to use all the resources. That is how it is. Okay, so with that thought, and with so much of talking is done now, I will tell you how to do this ritual. So I'm going to repeat this quote 3 times. Okay. Now, if you want, you can repeat the quote with me. Okay. Let's start. Where there is gratitude. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. First of all, we are gonna take the glass. So here's the glass. Guys, trust me that it will change your life. It will bring so many good changes in your life positively throughout the day. Whenever you drink water, charge the water, and early morning, it is so important that you do this. You know, it is so important that you do this. You will filled with so much of positivity, and your mind is not curious, not anxious, or stressful throughout the day. At one point, I was stressed and anxious, and I started doing this. It really helped me because our body is 70 to 80% it's water, and this, when we consume this water by charging it, it gets into our system, it gets into our mind. Okay, and that is how it helps. So now I have filled this glass with water. This is plain water. You don't have to mix or add anything, just your good and pure intentions. That is all you need. Okay. So I'm going to repeat the quote 3 times. Before that, I will tell this water, please purify yourself. You are a pure being. Please purify yourself. Purify yourself, water. Okay. Now this is purified. I'm going to repeat the quote 3 times. Where there is gratitude, there is an open door for blessings. Where there is gratitude, there is an open door for blessings. Where there is gratitude, there is an open door for blessings. And without talking, I'm just going to consume it first. Okay, now it's done. The charged water is, I have consumed the charged water. This thought, this code, this intention is there in my system now. It will definitely gonna help me on a regular basis. That is how it should be. So we absorb so much of negative things from the surrounding, so much of negative vibration from the people around us, and it is so important. It is so important, like a medicine, like you take Chyawanprash for your immunity, right? That your immunity is good. It is working well and helping you from all the diseases. When you fall sick, or maybe you are not sick, but on a regular basis you take Chyawanprash or some kind of herbs to boost your immunity. It is just like that. This ritual is like an immunity booster. When you charge the water and drink, and all the positive intentions are going inside you, it protects you like a shield throughout the day. It helps you with all the negativity. You can deal with the negativity in a much better way. So you can do this on a regular basis, and maybe 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, as many times you want. And you can also share your experience with Sanjana on her page, or maybe with us. You can tell me how do you feel about it after doing this. And also, if you have any query, and if you have any doubt in mind, you can just discuss that with me. And it is just a simple thing. Don't put much load on yourself, and do it. It's not necessary. Early in the morning it is very important, because the uh, it is important because because the ping box to all for doubts and queries, please check on raise hands. Okay, because it is important on a regular basis. When you do this, you will gradually start feeling changes, because consistency is the key. You need to follow this on a regular basis. It's not that once you drink this once you charge it and it's done. No. Consistency is the key. You need to do this on a regular basis if you really want to see good changes in your life. And yes, practice gratitude, practice affirmations while drinking water. It is help you tremendously. Trust me. So I think now I have discussed a lot about this. If you have any questions, any queries, please let me know.
Hi Priya. So while we wait for the questions or the queries to come in, tell me more
I
about
can't see
you
you.
and what made you start this. And tell us more about your Instagram channel. We're going to send the link in a bit. So tell us about Heya Girl and we'll get more inspired. Over to you.
Okay, so idea behind Here Girl page was that spreading positivity around, because social media and on a day-to-day basis, regular basis, we consume so much of negative things. Only thoughts. If we read a quote anywhere, if we are stressed or maybe we are unable to deal with certain situation, or maybe we just need guidance, quotes are the best way to help us, because in a line or two the message is delivered. You need not to read the entire paragraph. It is just that you read the quote and you're sorted. So throughout the day, when you read the good quotes and surround yourself with so much positive practices, exercises on a regular basis, it changes you as a person. Social media affects us negatively and also influences us in a positive manner both. So we I like this page. It is handled by me, but soon two of my sister, they are gonna join this page and they are gonna share the information, and it is by women for women to help them, uplift them. And we are gonna run a few challenges, and there will be this challenge called Here Girl, and we will give tasks so that on a regular basis, girls, women, ladies, they all keep busy and motivated throughout. And they feel that there is some task they are getting and they need to accomplish it, and they will be rewarded for that.
Right.
Efforts should be rewarded. So that is how the idea and intention was behind the page. And you can visit the page, and you can talk about anything you want. If you want to discuss something with us, you can.
Right. Priya, we have a question from Nitul. How do we avoid cigarettes?
How do we avoid
Cigarettes, smoking.
smoking? Okay. See, you need, I just told you that if you really want to do something, first of all, you have to make up your mind. Without making up your mind, you cannot do anything, right? If I'm telling you do this, do that, it won't help at all. Trust me. Unless and until you are ready to help yourself, if you really have that intention that you want to help yourself, you will do it. Okay, so first set an intention that you want to avoid it, or maybe you have to stop it. You have to stop consuming that cigarette and damaging your health. Don't do that. Okay, first of all, write on a piece of a paper. Read it 10 times, and also read the cons of it and write the pros of it. Pros of drinking, smoking, and cons. Okay, then you decide what do you want in your life, your good health or pleasure, for the temporary pleasure you will get, and your health is affected for life. So you will decide, make a conscious decision. आपके जितने भी डिसीजंस आप खुद लेते हो, खुद डिसाइड करते हो, वो आप पूरी एनर्जी डाल के करते हो, किसी के कहने से नहीं करते. You can just be influenced by me and follow this water ritual on a regular basis. Keep telling yourself that help me God, help me, or whatever, help me universe, help me to become a better version of myself, help me so that I stop smoking. And if you're drinking, so for that also you can say. And on a regular basis you have to do it. You have to keep telling your mind, and one day you will leave it. Trust me, if you are determined to do it. That's it. Over to you, Sanjana.
That was lovely, Priya. Thank you so much. We have 2 more minutes to go. I'm just waiting for any questions, but I had one question of my own, Priya. Times are so difficult right now. Times are changing. Every day we wake up and we read something negative. What can we do to put our mindsets instantly in a positive space?
Well, Yeah Girl is all about positivity, spreading positivity. Whenever you are down or whenever you feel negative, just do one thing: put on your headphones and put on some good music, soothing, relaxing music, okay? And try to recall good things, good memories, whatever happened in your life, your achievements. Try to remember all those things and try to read good quotes. Try to listen to people who have achieved in life. Try to listen to positive people. I follow Robin Sharma, Sister Shivani, and Sadhguru. Please, please, please watch their videos, follow them. They are so intelligent, they have solution to everything. It's just that if you put your mind to something, mind and heart to something, whatever you want, you can achieve it. Sanjana, follow this water ritual. Keep telling yourself that life is beautiful. I'm here to live my life and to put enormous efforts to make others and my life. You keep telling yourself. अगर आप अपने आप को बोलते रहोगे अरे बहुत ज्यादा काम है, बहुत ज्यादा काम है, बहुत ज्यादा काम है, मैं थक जा रहा हूँ, आप थकोगे. अगर आप बोलोगे कि नहीं, इट्स ओके, लेट मी प्लान इट आउट, एंड इफ अगर कुछ प्रॉब्लम आती है, आई विल डिस्कस एंड थिंग्स विल बी फाइन. नेगेटिविटी इसलिए आती है क्योंकि आप सिचुएशन के साथ करंटली डील नहीं कर पाते हो. आपका माइंड इतना ज्यादा सोच पाता है उस पर्टिकुलर टाइम पर. सो इसीलिए इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट दैट you telling yourself about the positive things on a regular basis, on and off. Yeah.
Right. Awesome, Priya. Thank you so much for being with us here today, Priya. This was, I think, such an amazing way to start our convention today. Our next session is in 9 minutes with Shri LP, who is a yoga and nutrition coach. Until then, I'm going to get myself a glass of water, energize it, and then set the tone for Crimson Con for today's day. All right. Thank you, Priya. Thank you so much. And to all the attendees, in the chat box, we've sent a link for Priya's Instagram. And you can follow her. You can DM her. She's such a sweet person. I'm sure she's going to reply to all your DMs.
Thank you. Thanks for having me. It was a lovely experience.
Bye-bye.
Bye.